episode, we will then this one off with the bear of a song. Got it. That's enough of that silly movements. All right, let's get to the real stuff. So, on this episode, we will. We'll get to the I will show you my 3 least worst sounds of the drums. So my first worst is Power 1. Come on. All right. No, stay there. All right. That just sounds like it came from a garbage compactor. This is... It's strange. That's what I call a busted up simple. Alright, the rest is fun, but it's not the best, you know what I mean? Alright, the next worst one. Oh, yeah. African. My ears are gonna explode. That one's actually pretty good. That is not one right. Alright, next up. Orch. That's bad stuff right there. Do you know who made that? Well, I want to go have a talk with him and say that it's not very good, you know, cause sometimes, you know, it's just that it's not really good. It's like, so when you walk into the bathroom and you see the guy that made this sound, just say to him, it's not very good, you know, you know, cause it's not very good. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Actually, no, it's not it. Alright. Elephant. Alright. Next worst is house. Maybe some of you out there have a house. And you would like Banjaro to come over and, take all your vegetables and all their yummy stuff like that. Alright. trash.
It's all trash! It's all trash!
Alright, this has been a bad episode because I showed you my top 4 bad ones. But let's play something a little better to lift our spirits. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right. That's the end of this classic banjaro series episode. Alright, we'll see you guys next time. Hope you have a good year.